excited to announce KPIT's partnership with HMC HIVE for L segment of electric micromobility. This is one of the fastest growing segment in the world. Along with our partner HMC HIVE's, their experience in this market, understanding of customers and the manufacturing capability will be in a position to really bring a world-leading product for consumers across the world. So we are very, very excited about this, and we do hope that this will be in a position to game changing for urban mobility.